Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Kanasobi channel. USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN-78, is the lead ship of her class of United States Navy aircraft carriers. The ship is named after the 38th President of the United States, Gerald Ford, whose World War II naval service included combat duty aboard the light aircraft carrier Monterey in the Pacific Theater. Construction began on 11 August 2005, when Northrop Grumman held a ceremonial steel cut for a 15-ton plate that forms part of a side shell unit of the carrier. On 10 September 2008, the U.S. Navy signed a $5.1 billion contract with Northrop Grumman Shipbuilding in Newport News, Virginia, to design and construct the carrier. Northrop had begun advanced construction of the carrier under a $2.7 billion contract in 2005. The carrier was constructed at the Huntington Ingalls, formerly Northrop Grumman, Newport News shipbuilding facilities in Newport News, Virginia, which employs 19,000 workers. In August 2011, the carrier was reported to be structurally halfway complete. In April 2012, construction was said to be 75% complete. On 24 May 2012, the important milestone of completing the vessel up to the waterline was reached when the critical lower bow was lifted into place. This was the 390th of the nearly 500 lifts of the integral modular components from which the vessel is assembled. Huntington Ingalls reported in an 8 November press release construction had reached 87% structural completion. By 19 December 2012, construction had reached 90% structural completion. Of the nearly 500 total structural lifts needed to complete the ship, 446 have been accomplished. Gerald R. Ford is intended to be the first of a class of aircraft carriers that offer significant performance improvements over the previous Nimitz class. Gerald R. Ford is equipped with an AN/SPY-3 and AN/SPY-4 active electronically scanned array multifunction, multi-band radar, and an island that is shorter in length than 20 feet, 6.1 meters, taller than that of the Nimitz class. It is set 140 feet. 43 meters farther aft and 3 feet, 0.91 meters, closer to the edge of the ship, replacing traditional steam catapults. The Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, EMLS, will launch all non-FTOL carrier aircraft. This innovation eliminates the traditional requirement to generate and store steam, freeing up considerable area below deck. With the EMLS, Gerald R. Ford can accomplish 25% more aircraft launches per day than the Nimitz class, and requires 25% fewer crew members. The Navy estimates it will save $4 billion in operating costs over a 50-year lifespan. On 18 June 2021, Gerald R. Ford completed her first full ship shock trial 87 nautical miles, 100 mi, off Ponce Inlet, Florida, to ensure that she is able to withstand battle conditions. 40,000 pounds, 18 tons, of TNT was detonated underwater, measured as a 3.9 magnitude earthquake by USGS. Additional tests were conducted in July and August, with the test detonations set off closer to the hull. The ship was determined to have passed the tests, and this concluded the trials. R. Ford left Naval Station Norfolk for her maiden deployment on 4 October 2022. The carrier was to conduct operations and training exercises alongside NATO allies and partners throughout the Atlantic Ocean. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.